Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to our channel, where we make managing your money as easy as pie. Today, we're tackling how to categorize transactions in YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. If you're new to YNAB or just getting started with budgeting, this video is your go-to guide for organizing your finances like a pro. Let's dive right in. First things first, why does categorizing transactions even matter? Well, in YNAB, every dollar has a job, and categories help you track where your money is going. This means no more surprises at the end of the month. You'll know exactly how much you're spending on groceries, entertainment, or that guilty pleasure coffee run. It's all about gaining control and making informed decisions. To get started, fire up the YNAB app on your phone or log in via the website. Once you're in, navigate to the Transactions tab. That's your hub for all incoming and outgoing money. You'll see a list of your recent transactions, each with a default category YNAB tries to assign automatically based on the description. Now, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Select the transaction you want to categorize. Just click or tap on it to open the details. Step 2. Look for the category field. It's usually a drop-down menu. Here, you can choose from YNAB's preset categories like groceries, dining out, or utilities. If nothing fits, don't worry. You can create a custom category by going to the Budget section and adding a new one tailored to your needs. A quick tip. Be specific but not overwhelming. For example, lump similar expenses together to keep things simple. One common pitfall is ignoring uncategorized transactions. Make it a habit to check and categorize them daily or weekly to keep your budget accurate. Once you've got your transactions sorted, take a moment to review your categories in the budget overview. This will help you spot trends and adjust your spending as needed. There you have it. Categorizing in YNAB is straightforward and super empowering. If you try this out and see immediate improvements in your financial clarity, drop a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. See you next time.